Presenting the Easy Clean Plus vacuum cleaner from Eureka Forbes, a handheld appliance that can be used to carry out a number of cleaning tasks easily, keeping you safe from dust and dust mites. This handheld vacuum cleaner comes with an input power of 800 watt with a suction of 1600 mm of water column. You can use it as a suction to remove dust and also as a blower to blow dust with its dual functionality. The 1.8 kg Easy Clean Plus has a sleek design and is portable. It comes with an adjustable shoulder strap which you can easily sling around and move across the house. It comes with a dust bowl instead of a bag so that you get rid of dirt without purchasing a new bag. The 18 feet long cord allows you to easily move the vacuum cleaner across the house. Attachment includes floor and carpet brush to clean floors and carpets respectively. The multi-purpose brush to clean electronic items, tabletops and delicate items. The upholstery cleaner helps you clean sofas, curtains, etc. Accessory adapter helps you connect other accessories to your Easy Clean Plus and can be used to pick up dust directly as well. The extension tubes help you clean places like ceilings, back of sofas, etc. And the blower nozzle blows dust from difficult to clean places. The vacuum cleaner comes with standard brand warranty.